This is New York in slow English.
These three words, see, look, and watch, are very common in English, and they all have to do with how we use our eyes. Let me show you some videos, and you take note of when I use each one of these words. Then we'll go back together and review why I made the choice I made.
Hi, my name is Connie. Today I'm headed to the museum to see the Michelangelo exhibit. This neighborhood is a very wealthy neighborhood, and the people you see up here are generally dressed in a very stylish manner.
You'll see lots of little boutique shops here where you can look in the window.
I love to sit here and just watch the people go by.
If you look closely, you'll see that most people in New York dress in black. Okay, let's listen again and then stop and talk about the words.
Today I'm headed to the museum to see the Michelangelo exhibit.
See is kind of a general word we use when you open your eyes and you see something, all right? It just floats in front of your eyes. You don't put very much effort into it. Now, in this case, I'm also using see as a destination. So, for example, you go to see friends, or you might go see a movie, or you might see an exhibition, like this case.
This neighborhood is a very wealthy neighborhood, and the people you see up here are generally dressed in a very stylish manner.
You'll see lots of little boutique shops here where you can look in the window. I use the word see here because you don't really have to put in any effort. You just go up to the Upper East Side, open your eyes, and you will find people who are dressed very stylishly. It's the same thing with the shops. When you open your eyes, you will see all kinds of shops up there. But then notice I use the word look for when you look in the window. This is because now you are being more active. You are actually pointing your eyes someplace and looking inside the window.
I love to sit here and just watch the people go by.
I'm pointing my eyes at this man and I'm looking at him, but notice that he is moving in front of my eyes. When something is moving in front of your eyes, we use the word watch. If you look closely, you'll see that most people in New York dress in black. I use the word look because I'm asking you to actually turn your eyes and study the people who are dressed in black. But then I switched to the word see because once you move your eyes, then those people will be in front of them and you'll see them without any effort at all.
Okay, can you just look at my card? I think it's still good.
Yeah, you're good.
All right, thanks so much.
Thank you.
I use the word look because I'm asking her to direct her eyes at my membership card to make sure that it is still valid. Now notice that after look, when there is an object, we use a preposition. So many times we use the preposition at. How would you fill in this sentence?
This woman is looking at the map. She's studying it very closely to figure out where she wants to go.
Now try this sentence.
All right, these people are taking a selfie and they are looking at themselves.
Do you see the two guards at the bottom of the stairs? Here, these two guards. What are they doing? The two guards are watching to make sure the people have a ticket. They are looking at people, but notice the people are walking past them. They are moving in front of their eyes. So instead of saying looking at, we would say they are watching people. What would you say for this picture? I would say there are so many drawings to see. And my meaning is that every time I turn my head, there's another drawing. I can see it without any effort at all. Try this sentence. In this sentence, you are making an effort. You are really concentrating as you study this painting. And after you do that, then with less effort, you can see. So in the first part, we use look, and in the second part, we use see. A lot of people sit on the stairs outside the museum because there's always something interesting to see.
On a nice day, it's great to just hang out on the stairs and watch the traffic go by.
If you like this video, please click on the like button and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any episodes from New York in Slow English. See you next time. Bye.